foot at 3 seconds and southeast 1 foot at 8 seconds.
A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Wednesday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves around 2 feet. Wave detail, southeast 2 feet at 7 seconds and northwest 1 foot at 2 seconds.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kent County and central Delaware, northeastern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, eastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cordova, or 8 miles northeast of Easton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Denton, Harrington, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, Sudlersville, Goldsboro, Queen Anne, Woodside, Viola, Hartley, Star, Hadletsville, Jumptown, Sandtown, Skipton, Matthews, Griffin, Cordova, and Hope. People at the Delaware State Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central Delaware and eastern and northeastern Maryland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central Delaware and eastern and northeastern Maryland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county, Kent, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne's, and Talbot.
And the relative humidity 79%. The wind was south at 15 miles an hour, gusting to
a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for northwestern Newcastle and Chester counties. At 5:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Paradise to Haverty Grace, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newark, Middletown, Westchester, Coatesville, Downingtown, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Oxford, Parkersburg, West Grove, Delaware City, Newport, Glenroy, Homeville, Cochranville, Stanton, North Star, Glasgow, and Bear. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 310 and 315, Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 0 and 11. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northern Delaware and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania, and Newcastle, Delaware.
The winds were from the south at 15 knots. The water temperature was 77 degrees. At Barnegat Reef, sea temperature 75 degrees. Air temperature 77 degrees. Wave height 5 feet. Wave 35
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Reading, Wyomissing, Kutztown, Fleetwood, Laureldale, Leesport, Lyons, Spring Ridge, Shillington, West Reading, Mount Penn, and Kenhorst. This includes Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 11. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Oh my gosh, doubleheader!
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 6:30 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Farmington, or 8 miles northeast of Havre de Grace, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Calvert, Northeast, Charlestown, Lombard, Blake, Andorra, Zion, Bayview, Fair Hill, and Pleasant Hill around 6 p.m. Elkton around 6:05 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Cecil, Maryland. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Upper Delaware.